AI zone, your one place to build product and all the required management, tracking, and analysis. Let's start by looking at the product catalog. The product catalog allows you to see a summarized view of all your products, and that gives you great information up front. But if you need more detail, let's get to it. The product is set up with all the required elements that you need. It'll give you detailed information about who owns the product, who's assigned to the product, what is the funding and budget, what are the capabilities of this product and associated entities. Of course, the timeline. You can add comments to this and have it all in one place. You can see your schedule. You can start with stage approvals, workflow, and also the members of the product. And as information changes, the activities are recorded so you can see what's going on. Here you can also have a video chat with your peers. And while discussing, you can change information and they'll see the change information. You can look at your delivery. What are the features of this product? What is the status and trends? Any observations? What are the projects that are delivering those features and how are they performing? And in responsibility matrix, you can actually view who is doing what by feature or project. You can plan with starting with the estimate. You can estimate what your product cost is going to be, and it's laid out pretty nicely and rolls it up to the business. You can allocate dollar amounts to your product. This way you know what is going on for each project. You can prioritize your feature sets and projects and look at what are the funds and budgets available. And also you can sequence. You have a backlog and you can start to sequence all your projects within the product. You can consider staffing and what are the different staffing requirements are. And of course, you can forecast. You can also create a pricing for your product. As an example, we can add a plus pricing with the price of 100, and it automatically will add it, and now you can consider which one is the right pricing for you. You can look at any problems and issues associated with your product, and also provides you with a correlation of matched issues. Same thing for risks. You can get correlated risks and look at the different timing and trends. You can track by timeline how your product is doing. This is great for new members or for other people who want to see how your product is progressing over time. With media, you can have all your information in one place. This is great, and it'll reduce significantly unnecessary IMs and emails, and of course, meetings that are not required. You can now start doing some insights. You can create a survey. It's very easy to create using GPT. Let's see. Check product samples, survey. It'll match the required survey that's needed and give you an option with different questions you can ask. You can select it You can create or edit if you like, and you can assign people to be participants for this survey. Once you're satisfied, you can set a timeline, and there you go. Now you can view your survey, and all the questions are automatically generated. All you have to do is fill it out. Once the feedback is given, it'll give you the definition of the feedback. For audit purposes, you can create an audit for your product. Again, using GPT-3 automatically gives you a list of questions that you can ask. And again, you can select it or add your own. Give it a timeline. And there you go. You have a product audit. It'll automatically create questions, responses, remediation, and you can track it along the way. You can also see how work metrics are happening. What is the acceptance rate, assignment, progress? What is the productivity, efficiency, effectiveness? How is the team doing? And how is the resource allocation happening? And that's all for it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.